A defamation case that has been filed against Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi. This is the latest coming in, as the case will now be heard on the 16th of May in the Rouse Avenue Court. The complainant statement was recorded in the court today, where Delhi BJP's media chief Praveen Shankar Kapoor filed this complaint in the court against Arvind Kejriwal and Education Minister Atishi. This in a criminal defamation case. Kejriwal, who continues to be lodged at Tihar jail, and this is a defamation case that has been filed against him, where BJP's media chief Praveen Shankar Kapoor has filed this complaint in the court. The latest, as we understand, that this case will be heard on the 16th of May in the Rouse Avenue Court. Now remember, this is not just against Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, but also Atishi Singh.
मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से मुलाकात करके आ रही हूं। मैं जैसे ही उनसे मुलाकात करने पहुंची तो मैंने उनसे
All right, we'll try and play out that reaction again. This is, remember, coming in from Atishi, who also faces charges as this is the defamation case that has been filed against her as well. And this case that will be heard on the 16th of May in the Rouse Avenue Court. This, as the Aam Aadmi Party is already neck deep in the Liquorgate case, where all their top leaders are lodged in jail. And at a time that they continue to allege political conspiracy, which has been the statement coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party ever since this investigation was underway. This defamation case that has been filed by Delhi's BJP media chief Praveen Shankar Kapoor. Right, ahead of the third phase of elections, this is the latest breaking that is just coming in, this time from Andhra Pradesh, where there seems to be no end to sibling rivalry between CM Jagan Mohan Reddy and his sister Y.S. Sharmila. Y.S. Sharmila had sent a mirror as a gift to Jagan Mohan Reddy, and she asked Jagan Mohan Reddy, who do you find in the mirror? Is it yourself or Chandrababu Naidu? A direct attack on Jagan Mohan Reddy, again by Y.S. Sharmila, where she went on to mount this attack, and she sent him this mirror, this very mirror that she's holding on the screens right now. As she mocks Jagan Mohan Reddy, she went on to say that who do you find in the mirror? Is it yourself or Chandrababu Naidu? Remember, Y.S. Sharmila, who has been taking on Jagan Mohan Reddy as the sibling rivalry that has reached this point, where she's gone on to send this mirror to Jagan Mohan Reddy, and she asks, who do you see in the mirror? Is it yourself or Chandrababu Naidu?